Hey guys, I am here with another new box, and this box is H2T. In this box, I have it on my iPad because, yeah, you guys already know how my brain operates. So, H2 Beauty subscription boxes are affordable monthly subscriptions that will have beauty and cosmetic products that will complement any style. We have different subscriptions for you to choose from, and no two subscriptions are ever the same. A portion of all the sales from their subscription box will go towards the ALS Foundation. Come and be a part of the cure. And they have new box. It's a kid subscription box now. They always have full-size products. They ship worldwide from Canada, and the subscription automatically renews. You can cancel anytime. They ship boxes within 10 business days of receiving your order. Please have your order in on the 25th of the month for the most current box. So they have 4 different boxes. The first box is lip service, which I'm assuming is an all lipstick kind of box, lip balm, lip mask, all that stuff. And that is $15 a month. Then they have the facelift cosmetic subscription pack, and that is also $15 a month. Then they have a custom package, which is $20 a month. And it says it's an individualized box that you can customize with the help of their team. It does not have to be cosmetic related. So then they have H2T Kids Beauty subscription box, and it's child-friendly cosmetic items. Items can include lip care, accessories, nail polish. This box is perfect for up to age 8. So, I mean, that's cool. And then they have a tween monthly subscription, and it can include pads, liners, accessories, treats, and just products to make you feel better, for teenagers, having their time of the month. That's what that box is for. And then they have H2T exclusive beauty pack. Oh, and the tween box is $20, and the kids beauty box is $20. And then they have the H2T exclusive beauty pack, and that is $35 a month, and that box includes 7 to 10 different beauty products. Items will differ and can include hair care products, makeup products, body care products. So that is pretty cool. I believe I really don't know what box I received. I should have known that before I came on here and told you guys all about it. But let's open this up and see what wonderfulness we have in here. Look at, I broke a nail. I'm so mad. All right, here we go. Oh, it's little cute polka dots. Isn't that just so cute? All right, let's open this up and see what we got in here. All right, this is what I see when I open it. There is some beauty products in here. Oh, I don't know what that thing is. Oh, maybe it goes with this. Okay, the first thing I see is by Milani, and it's Sunset Duos Blush and Bronzer. There's that. It's a nice bronzer. It does have a safety seal on it. I am liking that. Come on now. They want to see you, and you're giving me a problem. Alrighty, we just will try and get this open. I'm trying to get it open for you guys. I know come on. There we go. I think I got it. Okay. Now, open. All right, there we go. And you can see the 2 different, look at my poor nail, but you can see the 2 different colors there. That's nice. I like that. That's nice. I'm not real big on bronzer. I'm trying to get used to it. I'm gonna swatch that for you guys. I am trying my hardest to get used to it, but okay. Oh wow. Oh, my tracker's almost kaput. it is. All right, there we go. Okay. There is the, where are you? The blush and the bronzer. So those aren't too bad. Smells good. This was in there too, but I do not know. Yeah, that doesn't go in there. So I don't know what that goes to. Maybe it goes to something else and I just destroyed it. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, and then next we have my nose itching, which is not part of the box. This is also by Milani, and this is iTech Liquid Liner. And it's so hard to, oh, come on now. Oh, well, that's an interesting applicator. Kind of reminds me of the Ico applicator. Kinda. Let me see here. Oh, that's a nice thin line. Very easy to go on. That's nice. I like that. That's nice. I do like that. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. A lip crayon. You know me and my lip crayon. Look at, that's already dry. It's already dry. It's not smudging at all. That's nice. There is that. And I don't know. It just says lip crayon. It doesn't say what color. It does go up and down. It doesn't say what color. Oh boy. Well, what you think? So let's put some over here. There's the color in case you can't see the color. I like that color. It's not bad. I like that color. And it looks like, oh my goodness, we have lots of things in here. Okay. I don't know what the heck that thing is, but we will find out. Maybe it's a ring. All right, and then up next we have Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips. And I like that. And now when you sign up for this box, you can pick neutrals, you can pick, you know, what you like. And I told her that I like neutrals. I'm a neutral kind of girl. I don't like to put, you know, push the envelope too much with, you know, them wild colors. But that's a nice package. That is nice. There we go. That's nice. I like that. Good packaging, heavy duty, sturdy packaging. Now, if I can figure out how to open it, we will be in business. Because how the heck do you open this thing? I don't know how to open it. Honest to goodness, I don't know how to open this thing. Let's see, which way would you open if you were to open? Like, I can't, there's no thing, I can't open it. It felt like I almost had it. Does it slide? Does it slide that way? Oh my goodness, I don't know how to open this. That's not good if I can't get it open. How am I going to use you if I can't open you? I can't open. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. It opens this way. There we go. I got it. I like those colors. Those are beautiful colors. I like those colors. Those are really pretty colors. Now that I figured out how to open it, you open it from the side on this side and you just lift it. Okay. Figured it out, guys. And this is Custom Eye Enhancing Shadow and Liner, and it is the colors Bronzed Brown Eyes. I do not have brown eyes. I have green eyes, but they should work just as fine with green eyes. Okay, I like that. That is a nice little item in there. Come on now. Trying to get it back in there. All right, now let's get on to the next thing. There's still, I really not understanding that thing. Okay, and this is Lash Renegade, Wet n Wild Renegade Mascara. Oops, there we go. And I'm assuming the color is black. Let's see. Yep, brazen black on the back. And, oh wow, look at that applicator. That's a different applicator. That's neat. I like that applicator. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but see the shape of it. I've never seen an applicator like that before. That's neat. I like that. Okay, so that looks to be about it. I'm not understanding what this is for. I'm thinking it's for my bronzer. I'm pretty sure that those two go together. I'm pretty sure. It will not fit in the package, but I'm pretty sure that that's like a bonus piece. And then there's something different in here. And I'm not so sure this was supposed to be in there. Is that a ring or what the heck is that? I'm not entirely sure if that's supposed to be a ring. It can't be a ring. I don't know what that is. Well, when I send them the video, because they graciously sent me this box to review, I will ask them to check out this ring, or I don't know what this is. Check that out and let me know if that's supposed to be in there, because I'm not sure that's supposed to be in there. Don't believe so. It doesn't say anything about jewelry on Cratejoy. So if you would like to get your own box from H2T, then I will leave the link below. And on Cratejoy, I believe you can get 10% off of your first box with H2T. And there's what I got in my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size beauty products. I'm a little questionable about this. This does not look full-size. Maybe so. I will check on that. But that is a lovely little box. I just love it. And if you guys want to get your own, I'll leave the link down below so that you can get right over there. No hassles trying to look it up. I will send you directly to their beautiful little subscription box, and I will let them know that you are coming and that I sent you. All right, guys, that's it. I have another box coming up, and girl, you're gonna love it. Okay, guys, don't forget to check out H2T on Cratejoy and tell them I sent ya. All right, guys, bye now.